Alright, here we go. Got everything painted. Looks alright. It's not too bad. At least it looks like I've been there. So, got everything painted up. And put everything back up there. Haven't gotten the kingpins done yet. Oh, might as well show you an update on how far I actually got with that kingpin. I couldn't get that nut off. I put some heat on it, everything, and I couldn't get it off at all. And I couldn't get that freaking bolt out either. And I completely forgot that when I did this one, that I had to buy bolts for it. And I was kicking myself in the ass because when I went in and I looked and bought the bolts, I looked at the major suspension kit and it had the freaking bolts with it, and I was like, oh, you gotta be kidding me. And I made the same mistake on this one. And I knew it as soon as I started taking the bolts out. I was like, you know what, I guarantee you I'm gonna ruin those bolts. And I did. They're all shot. So that stuff should be here tomorrow, but I'm still not going to be able to put the darn thing together again. So I am going to put the Crossmember back up there. I'm going to put as much parts as I can back up there. I'm probably going to be able to put the steering rack back up there. Yeah, I'm going to be able to put the steering rack back up there. So at least we can get, you know, a good majority of stuff going on this thing. So, enough messing around. I'm gonna get to work. We still gotta do the brakes. If I can get this Crossmember up there tonight, because it's 6:45. If I can get it up there fairly quickly tonight and in there, and possibly get the steering back in, if I've got enough time, I'm going to do that. If not, I'll just wait till tomorrow. Maybe I should just say, you know, screw it. I don't want to freaking, yeah, I'm not going to go nuts. Tomorrow's job. I filled the tire back up with air. It's holding it a little bit. I think it's getting low. I don't know if it's got a leak or not. I don't know. It did have some dry rot on it when it sat down, so that makes me nervous. So even though these tires look really, really good, they actually might be shot. But it's not like these cost a lot of money. They're what? 13-inch, 14-inch. Yeah. 175, 70, 14. Could probably get away with spending $200 on freaking four tires. Alright guys, take it easy. And we will check you guys later. Peace.